So here's the house we're looking at today. It's got some cool stuff and some uncool stuff and probably needs way too much work, but I'm still gonna do a video. Kind of interesting. This is like a 3-season porch. Couldn't figure out how to turn that on. So when I saw it in the listing, there were some very cool vintage fixtures there, but they took them out. I don't even know what that's supposed to be. There was also a cool vintage fixture there. So this is what made me want to come see it. It's got the sunken sitting area, which I think is very cool. There's a Laguna there. There was cove lighting up there, but looks like it was already replaced with LEDs. Another Laguna not connected to anything. Oh yeah, there was another vintage fixture here. And a wall sconce. Does that come on? So, a lot of things about this is strange. Laundry room. I didn't even see what these go to. Oh yeah, there. Yeah, there was a light there. First room has this Caribbean breeze. Oh, didn't even notice what's supposed to be here. I guess just a little closety nook thing. What's got its controller? A Leslie lock controller. Very retro bathroom. Another Caribbean breeze, controlled by a solid state control. Cool built-ins in the closet here. We'll come back to that if we have time. Banana fan controlled by this light dimmer. It's shaded pole. We'll unplug it. This bathroom has been like ripped out basically. Still spinning down. That one will be pretty quick. Oh, I left that one on, because that was on when I came in here. This is very ugly paneling. I like some vintage paneling, but not this. And I really don't know what they were thinking with that up there. I guess that's just open space behind the closets in the other room. Good bearings in that. I couldn't even see what this was even connected to. Nothing plugged in there. That's just an outlet. Yeah, don't know what was up with that. Dehumidifier. Oh, here's the breaker panel. Not sure what they were trying to do there. Some droppers. A lot of wood paneling. This ceiling's nice. And then there, and then this is actually kind of nice for a downstairs. Ugliest carpeting ever. And more random vintage stuff. Big basement. Too bad it needs so much. Oh. Only decent bathroom. Oops. Let's turn this off. Where's the light switch for this? I'm just trying to leave everything like I found it. Nope. Oh, don't see a light switch for that. And unless we can figure out how to get into the garage, that's everything. Good God, it's warm in here with no AC. Yeah. Too bad. There are a lot of things about it I liked, but even more that make it not worth it. Thanks for watching.